Alright, go! We got Caleb Tackett, ladies and gentlemen. Top of a big fucking blow up here. He don't know how deep that shit is, right? Oh yeah, that's deep! Yeah! Yeah! That one over there made it. Fuck, dude. You need some help? Oh, ain't there some shit?
Yeah. Once it got water, man, it died.
And that's a wrap cut.